All right, in this example, we're going to be looking at the graph of y equals 3 sine of 2x plus pi over 2. And so, once again, we're going to lay out what exactly this means by figuring out the amplitude, the period, and the phase shift before we start. So, amplitude is going to be the coefficient a, so that's going to be 3. And the period is going to be equal to 2 pi over b, which in this case is 2, so my period is going to be pi. And my phase shift is going to be equal to negative c over b, which in this case is equal to negative pi over 2 over 2 is equal to negative pi over 4. Okay, so now, where do we start? Well, we know that our period is going to be pi, and we're going to be starting at negative pi over 4, so let's graph that first. So this is negative pi over 4. We're going to be going through a complete cycle, which has a period of pi. So I know that if I have a distance of pi over 4, so we're going to divide it up by pi over 4. And so we have 3/4 of a pi, and then another 1/4 of a pi in the negative here. So this is going to be our complete period. And so our amplitude is going to be 3. So we can note that. Give ourselves an outline. And so now, we're looking at the sine graph. And so once again, our sine graph is in the shape of an S. And so we know that it's going to cross at the beginning, it's going to cross in the middle, and it's going to cross at the end. And our maximum and minimum come halfway between those crossing points. So it's going to hit 3 at 0, and it's going to hit negative 3 at our pi over 2. So then all we have to do is connect the dots. And we have graphed with an amplitude of 3 and a period of pi and a phase shift of negative pi over 4.